Hey everyone, it's assistant coach Phatyl with the Attack Gym. Njia Uhuru Kipota Street Warrior. You already know. Njia Uhuru is a Swahili term that means way of freedom, and Kipota is the correct term for what was miscalled capoeira by Rafael Blutos, correction, in 1712. This one is another part of my, kind of personal hygiene stuff. This one is based off of organic lavender oil here, essential oil. I like this company. No, it's not black owned, but they're a good company. I like them because they use steam distillation and their stuff are edible. I do use this in my cooking oils, and most of the oils are all edible. I do sometimes flavor my water with this, or like a lemonade with this. And as you already saw in a previous video, I use it in my deodorants and stuff like that too. Just one of them. I also have an oil that I make for my hair, for regrowing the hair back on my head. I also use it for aromatherapy, and this is just for this particular oil, but this is also a good company. And no, this is not a sponsorship. I'm just showing you guys because you guys asked on some of the stuff I use for my personal hygiene stuff. If you like, please leave a comment. If you don't like, please leave a comment. Subscribe. Check out all our social media pages. Check out our instructional videos on our martial arts stuff. Until then, you guys have a very blessed day. Asante Shana. Ashe.